Your furnace does require some maintenance to ensure that it is operating correctly. What you're going to find at the furnace is that you have what we call a return air and a supply air. Located between those is going to be a chamber that houses your filter. Your filter must be replaced and maintained to ensure that the furnace can operate. You will open up the chamber and check your filter regularly. The filter that we have selected here is rated as a 90-day filter. What that means is this filter will help our furnace operate for a period of 90 days, but beyond that we would need to replace the filter. What we're going to do is remove the old filter, take out our new filter, and on our new filter we're going to find that on the edge of it, it has an arrow. The arrow is dictating to us what the airflow is. The way the airflow of a furnace works is return air, supply air. Air flows from this chamber through the filter into the furnace. So we want to make sure that the airflow arrow is pointing towards the furnace so that the filter is working properly. Once you have your filter aiming the right direction, slide it into the chamber and close the chamber door. Then we'll come back down in 90 days and we'll do it all over again.